Remember the days of dial-up internet, floppy disks, and the thrill of hearing, "You've got mail"? Ah yes. The 90s. A simpler time. But just like the tech world evolved from those beeping modems, so has ChatGPT. And today, we're diving into the top 5 latest updates that'll make you say, "Cowabunga." ChatGPT Update Number 1. Prompt examples at the beginning of a new chat. Remember back in the 90s when we had those choose-your-own-adventure books? Well, ChatGPT is now giving you examples at the beginning of a new chat, just like those adventurous storylines. Your advantage? No more staring at a blank screen, wondering what to type. It's like having your favorite 90s cartoon guide showing you the way. Your benefit? You'll be off to a flying start, crafting conversations with ease and creativity. ChatGPT Update Number 2. Suggest replies. Remember Clippy, the helpful paperclip from Microsoft Word? This ChatGPT update is now your new Clippy, suggesting relevant ways to continue your chat. Your advantage? No more awkward pauses in your conversation. It's like having a witty sitcom scriptwriter from the 90s at your fingertips. Your benefit? Engage in fluid, natural conversations, and let your creativity soar like a soaring eagle or a pog slammer. ChatGPT Update Number 3. GPT-4 is now selected by default. Remember back when DVDs took over VHS? Well, GPT-4 is now selected by default for paid GPT-4 users. Your advantage? No more switching back from 3.5, like flipping through TV channels with a chunky remote. Your benefit? Enjoy a seamless experience, just like binge watching your favorite 90s shows on a Saturday morning. ChatGPT Update Number 4. Upload multiple files. Ever wanted to be a digital detective like Sherlock Holmes? With Upload Multiple Files, you can ask ChatGPT to analyze data across multiple files if you're a Plus user. Your advantage? Explore insights like a grunge rocker diving into a mosh pit at a 90s concert. Your benefit? Uncover hidden gems and insights, and become the data wizard you were born to be. ChatGPT Update Number 5. Stay logged in longer. With this latest update, ChatGPT keeps you logged in longer and greets you with a more welcoming page when you log back in. Your advantage? No more getting kicked out like a scratched mixtape CD. Your benefit? Enjoy a warm, welcoming experience every time you log in. It's like coming home to your favorite 90s sitcom family. And there you have it. The 5 latest updates with ChatGPT. It's like ChatGPT went to the 90s, grabbed all the cool stuff, and brought it back just for you. Let us know what you think of the latest updates with ChatGPT. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We promise to keep bringing you the latest and greatest, just like your favorite 90s mixtape. To learn more about ChatGPT and how you can become a certified ChatGPT expert, click the link below. Thanks for watching, and keep on chatting.